And we're back with another knife review. Today it is a new brand again, the Ultra-X. The Vulture is the name of the model. We'll go ahead and show you the knife so you can get a good look at it. Then we'll go over the specs and show you how it cuts. Start off with, this knife comes in at about 60 to 62 on the hardness scale. It is 8.2 inches overall. The blade length is 4.7. And the handle is about 4.5. I think I said it was 4.7. It should be 3.6 on the blade length. The weight of this knife is 5.8 ounces. It is a clip point blade with a satin finish. D2 steel. Has a lanyard hole. G10 handles that are black. Steel pocket clip, which is not reversible. Set up for tip-up carry. Has a choil, which could be usable in this case. We're getting close. A nice contoured handle. It is a manual flipper. It's a little jimping on the flipper. Opens very easily with one hand. And it has a lanyard hole. And it's a liner lock. Let's go ahead and show you how this knife cuts. We'll start off with a little paracord. As I've told you numerous times, that the D2 blades that come in here are always extremely sharp out the box for some reason, which is nice. We like sharp knives. We'll show you how it cuts on some cardboard. This one is going to have a tremendous precision cutting because of the way the blade is made there with the tip. Have to grab another piece real quick. Have a larger piece. As you can tell, it's going to cut right through. We'll show you how it does in a spear cut. As you can tell, it goes right on through. This is actually one of my favorite Ultra-X knives. Not the favorite, but one of my favorite. This is the Ultra-X Vulture. It also has that see-through chassis, which we like, with the 2 barrel spacers. So this knife comes in about $32 on AK. If you're watching on Instagram, make sure you subscribe. You follow Altantic Knife and like our post. And if you're watching on YouTube, that's where you would subscribe and ring the bell and all that great stuff. Share with your friends. We do tons of knife reviews. If there's something that you're wanting to see, a knife that you're wanting to see, it's probably there. On that note, I am C with Altantic Knife, signing off.